Today class we will discuss about operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is a interface between user and computer. See, computer is completely hardware and user is sitting here. In between, I am giving instruction to the computer. Computer cannot take directly. So, the mediator between computer and user is operating system. Operating system taking the instructions and giving the two instruction to the CPU. Again, it will giving the instructions in the output where we can see the on monitor. This is the process of going on. So, what is the operating system definition? It controls the data flow of data from user to computer, computer to user. So, operating system is interface between user and computer, which control the all operation by user. It controls the flow of information from user to computer and computer to user. Types of operating system. Operating systems types are three types are there: system software, application software, utility software. What is system software? The software which operate the computer is called system software. Suppose I want to work with the Java operating system. I want to work with the Java application. I want to work Tally software. I want to work MS Office. First, I want to load one operating system in the computer, either Windows 7 or Windows 10, any one operating system. Then after that, I have to load the softwares, application software. Then only I can able to work. So first point is we have to load one OS. Any computer you want to work with, first you want to one OS must be there, either 7 or 10 or depend upon any one OS. Then we have to load application software, VLC player, MS Office, antivirus, Tally, Java software, C language. Like that. So the computer which operate the system is called we can call system software. Application software. Application software which runs with the help of system software is called application software. There is so many application softwares are there: MS Office, C language, Java, Python. Python is a programming languages. Oracle is a database software. So many softwares are there. First you have to load the operating system, then you have to load the application softwares. Next, utility software. These are the small programs which are used to control the applications, to run some small programs which are used to run some small applications. Example, antivirus, VLC player, Acrobat Reader, etc. These are the small software which we can call utility software. So, next topic. See, the operating system divided into three platforms. One is hardware, next software form, next user level. Three models are level. The computer hardware level, software level, and user level. Hardware level means it will taking the instruction from memory and it control the input devices, taking the data. This is we can call hardware level. Next, operating system taking the instructions and interface between user and application software. This is hardware level. Next, user interface level. So operating system control hardware and software and user level. Three levels are there. So it is interface between user and computer. This is the inside the structure of the operating system, how the operating system is there. User is sitting here and hardware is there. In between the operating system, how the control everything will be shown here. Oh, IO means input with this. Next, the operating system has three main functions. What is the function of operating system? Operating system function is first is it is a processing control unit, memory unit, disk drives, and printer or input devices. Next, it is interface between user interface and provide the and execute the services provided for application softwares. What are the application softwares you have given everything that will provide? So operating system control three main important tasks. One is it will control the processing unit, memory, and hard disk drives and printer input devices and user interface and execute the provide the service for application software. What you have giving everything task that is providing and giving the output. Next, function of operating system. If you take operating system, it will do a lot of works. First one is it is graphical user interface. Operating system is graphical user interface. This is next. You have attached one pen drive to computer. Any external device who will take control the operating system. Any device, if you connect any device, external device, computer will control. Security. Suppose I have created one. I want to log in with other user. So what I have to do? I have to log off. Then again you have to enter username and password. Then after that username password, then I can log in. So the security will also checked by operating system. Networking. I am sitting here. I want to share with other computer. I want to know the IP address or know the user of that computer. Anything I want to access means I have to know networking. The security is also checking the operating system. Manage disk files and formatting, disk clean, any other additional topics of networking resources also checking. Memory management. If you given the task for memory, any application will be open in where memory only. That is also controlled by operating system. Process management. You are given at least three tasks computer. You will open MS Word and you open the VLC player and you open Acrobat. Computer will do the first task is divided and second task third task divided. First task is completed 50%, then go to second task. Then after 75% second task is completed, next third task will be started. So it is simultaneously divide the work of the task. This is we can call process management. So come the function of operating system will control this all everything. GUI, device drivers, security, networking, and disk management, memory management, and process management. Next, Microsoft Windows. What is Windows? Microsoft Windows is a graphical operating system where we work with all files and folders. Programs will be in the form of picture and working with mouse. Microsoft Windows is a graphical operating system and it is also user-friendly operating system. Anybody can operate. What is the operating system consist? It is having a folders. We can create files. We can share the data, copy and move and paste. This all applications will be done. You can do calculator operator. You can change it to wallpaper. You can change screen server. All applications will be done in user. Anybody can learn and easily user-friendly operating system. Windows. Next, start button. What is the start button? Start button will be there on the taskbar, left side will be there. By clicking on start button, we can get start button. We can open our applications. By clicking on start button, we can open our applications. What is start menu? Start menu will be also there on left side. We click on start menu. It will open the startup menus all document windows and MS Office tools, Acrobat Reader. What are the tools are there? What are the softwares are installed in your computer that will open in start menus. Next, what is desktop? When you on the computer, the first screen comes. We can call desktop. After it will taking at least 1 minute when you on the computer. It will taking the booting time. After booting, you'll get Windows desktop. That we can call what we can call desktop. We can call first screen of your computer. We can call desktop. Next. What on desktop, what we can see? Icons, folders, file, application files, document files, will be wallpaper, taskbar, system date and time. This will be available. Taskbar. What is taskbar? The bottom of the screen we can call taskbar. The bottom of the screen we can call taskbar. What is use of taskbar? Taskbar, if you open some application, I required three applications at one time. I want to see, always you can want to close and open is very difficult to open. So I have to open the file and minimize this on the taskbar. Whenever required, I'll open this. Like this is easy method to open your applications of your taskbar is to minimize your applications. Next, what is icon? Icon is a small picture that may represent files and folders. In computer, we have some icons will be there. Example icons, my computer icon. What is use of my computer icon? We can open your files, drives, folders will be available. And recycle bin is an icon we can call. Why? Because it will open your deleted file. Next, and Acrobat Reader is also a software is there. It is also we can call icon. Why? Because it will open the PDF file formats will be there. This. So icon is having a small picture that may represent the files and folders and programs, etc. Next, what is file? File contains some text of information. A file is it contains a text of information. Suppose I want to write some admission details of your race computer institute, computer examination. So what I have to do? I have to write admission numbers, name, place, contact number, and batch timings and everything. I will click on student details. Everything the details will come. So what I have to do? I have to go to an Excel sheet and I create the fields. Then I have to type the names, everything. So like that, when I open the file, automatically the file will be shown on your computer in front, computer in Excel sheet, everything. So how it is created? So file is nothing but a set of information. Yes. Next, what is folder? Folder is nothing but a directory. Suppose in office so many files are there. I have to search at least 25 times, 25 to 50 files are there. I have to create a folder. Then I can organize the files very easily. So I want to create one admin, student admission admin folder, another stop file, and next maintenance file. Any files that I want to create a folder so that I can easily to access your files very easily. Folder is nothing but folder is a group of files. A group of files is called folder. Folder is also called a directory. Under folder, we having lot of files will be there. Next, what is desktop? What is parts of desktop? Parts of desktop is we can call icon. Next, folder, file. Next, desktop, background color. Next, startup button, taskbar, uh, uh, quick launch toolbar, quick launch toolbar, or quick access toolbar also we can call. System date and time. Next, word processing file. What are the different type of files? Every file name is given by user, but extension should be different based on your application. Suppose MS Word I have typed one file and given some name is race one, the file name. Then the file name is the extension will be .doc. Computer will take automatically. The extension file automatically all files is taken by computer only. Only you have to give the file name. Next, when you saving, automatically you have to give the file name. The extension should be according to that the computer arranged by computer itself only. No need to worry about extension. So if MS Word we are saving, the extension of MS Word is .doc. Excel file .xls. PowerPoint PPT like this. So many extensions. Acrobat Reader PODC. Image files JPG, and one more file is also there, GIF. So many files are there, depend upon file. So every file and the file type and file extension will be different. See, now different type of file: Word file, presentation file, spreadsheet file, database file, text file, picture file, sound file, and movie file. Next, Notepad. What is Notepad? What is use of Notepad? Notepad is to enter the information in computer. It's simple. I want in MS Word, in Windows, I want to type some text information. So where I have to go? I have to go Notepad and Wordpad. Two facilities are there. Notepad is to type some text information and save the file, and we want to take printout, we can take printout. So Notepad is a simple text editor. Is a simple to create a document, and we can type some text and we can save the information. Wordpad. Wordpad is also a text editor, and it is having some found settings available. In Notepad, we have no found settings. In Wordpad, having found settings is available. You can format the document with various font style. I can increase the font size. I can change the alignment. Some font settings is available in Notepad. Wallpaper. The background of the picture we can call wallpaper. And wallpaper, we have to keep any photo you want to keep, any say, sceneries of anything we can keep by using wallpaper. Next, what is we can call screensaver. Screensaver is a animated image that is activated for a certain period. Suppose in computer you have not doing any for 10 minutes, computer will do it, do my computer will idle for 10 minutes. Then what you have to keep in a screensaver means erase computer competitive exam or anything. You can give your computer logo or anything you want to add some message. It is whenever you're not doing anything, the computer will do, the screen server will get what is a picture you can take, or you can take text also. Both options are available. So this is we can call a screen server. Next, my computer. What is use of my computer? It open drives and folder and file. It gives the information of it. If you open my computer, it gives the details of all files, folders, and documents and drives also. Next, what is recycle bin? Recycle bin will be deleted files will be stored in a place recycle bin. Suppose I deleted a file. in my drive I deleted one file. I automatically the file will send to the recycle. Again you can delete it from there, it will permanently remove. You want to from where you are deleted, automatically you click on restore. What is happening? Again it will go to D drive where the same version location will be there. We can type and we can edit the data also. What is Google Chrome? Google Chrome is a web browser to open your internet. Next, calendar, date and time. Calendar will be there on the right side. Suppose I want to see last year calendar, particular month and particular day, which day is coming. I want to see last 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Also, we can see any unlimited calendars are available in calendar. Option is available on the right side will be there. Next, search. What is use of search? Search is to search particular file, particular folder. You should not the one file is there. I saved the file, but where is the file? I did not know. Just go to tool on the taskbar, click on this. The file name here to give or folder name. What is the file or folder name? Just click on it. It is showing the location also. When you double click on it, it will open the files also. So using search option, we can search particular files and folders. Next, types of window: document window, application window. Two windows are there. Application window is like this. When you open the applications, will come the application window. Document window means example when you open a document, MS Word or Excel. Next, maybe any PowerPoint. All are we can call document windows. Open is around. This is example of a document window. This is example of application window. Two type windows will there. Next, function keys. Function keys. There are so many shortcut keys are there. Shortcut keys in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and shortcut keys on your desktop. When you open your computer Windows, we'll get some shortcut keys are there in Windows. So what are the shortcut keys are there that I'll tell you. The shortcut keys are with the combination of Windows keys, Alt keys, and Shift keys and Control keys. How with combination with other keys, how is working? This is the name of function keys and what are the task is performed. What is the function of each function key? It's showing. So if you press F1 and if you open on the desktop Windows, if you press F1, first it will come under help. If what is use of in Windows 7 or 10? What is help? Help means suppose you want to type anything. What is file? It gives the notes of documentation notes. Suppose if you want to you want to MS Word. I want to help. What is the font style? What is the spelling and grammar? What is the table format? Anything you type anything automatically it gives the notes and it gives a helpline how to move one place to another place, how to go step by step. Notes also coming help. You can search anything you want to type any documentation notes also available. Inbuilt notes is available. So using help. F2. What is use of F2? F2 is to rename a folder. F2 is to rename a folder. F3. What is use of F3? F3 is to search a particular file. You click on F3, automatically the taskbar here is open the on search button. It will ask the file name. Right. F4. Open address menu bar. This the website page is also coming now. When you open the Google Chrome, the address bar will be there. Same F4. F5. Refresh. When the system is slow, you want some boosting very slow. You just click on F5. It will refresh. Windows 7, sorry, F6, move along current window. When you open the applications, it will open the backside will be open. The F6 option will be available. F10, active menu bar. When you open the Windows, it will open some activator. Another screen we can go directly. Active menu. When you open your Notepad, I want to go to File menu, Edit, and View menu. All I want to go means you have to press one time F10. Automatically will come. The toolbars will come. Next, Windows key combination with other keys. Press Windows key. It will open the start button. What is use of Windows key? Is open the start button. Start your applications. I want gone to MS Word, PowerPoint, what maybe. Immediately I want to go desktop. So I have to minimize it or I have to save and close it and again I have to go to desktop. So do not waste. It will take a lot of time. So what I have to do? Only press Windows plus D. What happening? It will open your desktop. Whenever you are there in any files, any application, automatically you will go on to desktop. Windows plus D. When you pressing it, automatically you can get a desktop. So no need to save, no need to close anything. It will minimize your task application and it will open this. Windows plus E, Windows Explorer. What is use of Windows plus C? Window. It will open your Windows Explorer, which shows your files, drives, and folders. Everything is shown in Windows. Windows plus E. Windows plus P. Printer Task Manager. Printer details will come. Windows plus R. It comes under Run dialog box. And the down here, the left side will be there. You can type any. Suppose I want to open MS Word. MS Word, what is the shortcut key to open and Win Word? Win and Word. You can type it automatically. The word will open. Like some shortcuts available in Run dialog box. According to that, some application we can open. So Windows plus Control plus F. It will use to search your files. Automatically, the search bar will be open. Windows Control plus F. Open the search bar. Windows plus break. It gives a system details. I want to know the computer details. Which processor is working, and next processor RAM capacity is how much, and type of operating system is how much. What is the bit? Which bit is it, 34 bit or 64 bit? I want to know. Only you have to press one key is Windows plus break. It will open your system properties. Right. Windows plus L is to log off with one user, and we can log on with another. Windows plus tab. Windows plus tab is to move one cycle to another cycle. Suppose you have created so many, you have created 4 or 5 applications, you can open it. All are minimized on your taskbar. Then what I have to do? I want to open with the computer with another aim checking with the help of shortcut key. Only Windows plus tab, if you pressing, automatically it will show all the application will be shown in your desktop. Which you want, you can just remove it behind 2 hands, and automatically we can enter into particular application. The shortcut key is Windows plus tab, and so cycle through taskbar. We can open 3 or 4 application. Which you want to go means we have to use always mouse. We have to do, but we have to shortcut key is Windows key plus tab. Windows Shift M minimize your application, and this is maximize. Maximize your applications. What is a when you press Windows key Shift plus M, it will come to minimize. We want to use maximize big size of the screen. You want what you have to do? Maximize of the screen is a Windows plus M. Windows plus F1 display help. In computer, I want to go to help screen. Windows plus help. Next, Alt keys with combination with other keys. Alt tab switch between open application program. Same like the window tab. How is working? Same like the program. It will open your application 3 or 4 on the taskbar. If you click on it, it will open the program. Alt F4 close the key to the program. Next, Alt space bar is to open the control of your office. Sorry, open your control menu of your current window. Whatever opening your files will be open in your control menu will be opened by this. Alt escape, same. It will have the control the files. Same option will come in Alt open. Alt enter displays the system of your dialog box. When you are there in other folder, I want to go to right click and display. By pressing Alt and enter, it displays the properties of the box inside the items. Alt control delete. What is use of Alt control delete? It is to restart your system. These are the keys in MS Word, and all keys are given in alphabetical order with all sequence wise and control keys only. First, Control A. What happening? Control A. It will select your data. Select your data. Control B. It is to bold format. The text is changed into bold, darken your screen. Control C. Copy the data. Control D, it will come say font setting style will come. It will come a small toolbar of font settings will come. You can increase the font, decrease the font, we can change the style. Small toolbar is coming. And Control E, to text should be in center. Control F, find option. Control G, go to command. Control H, replace. You have changed some. I have one word I have mistakenly typed. Then option is Control F to find where is the location is there. And suppose I have typed at least mistake I had done 100 times. I want to do correction within 1 second is over. How? We have to go to find and type the word and replace which word you want to change. Click, type that in and click on OK. Automatically the within within 1 2 seconds 3 seconds all completed correction is over. So using find and replace option is there. I, italic. K, justify your data. What is use of justify data means? Suppose I am typing my word is ended with my right margin here. Sometime I ended with here. Sometime I ended with here. So I want to adjust all with equal size. I have to use the option is a Control K, justify your paragraph. Control I, left margin. I want to text the data to left margin. Control I, and Control M, to Control M is to change the margin in it. Suppose this is my line is there. I want to move from left to right, five spaces to towards left to right. So Control M. Control N, create a new document. I want to create a new document. Command is Control N. Control O, to open a document. I want to open a document. Control O. Control P, print a file. I want to print. I have typed my document is over. Again, I want to go means you have to go to file and next after that you have to click on print. Instead of you have to give Control P. Automatically it goes to printer option. Next, Control Q to remove the paragraph marking, paragraph formatting. Control R, right alignment. My text is left side is there. I want to move to right side paragraph. Control L S, save the file. Control S to save the file. Control T, create ascending. Ascending means I have a tab setting is there. I want to move from left to right. I have to use Control T. Control U, underline of your text. You have to select the text and next you have to use Control U, underline. Control V, copy is there. Next paste. Control V. Control W, close the window. Close the window. Close the MS Word. Control Z, undo. Suppose I had deleted a file. Again, I want the file. I had deleted some text. Again, I want Control Z. You press it. Undo will come same. Control 1, single space. See, line 1 is there. I have the line. I have typed some matter. Line 1, line 2, line 3. Three lines are there. I want to give the gap between the line of this. I can use line spacing we can call. We can use a shortcut key. Control plus 1, single space. Control plus 5, 1.5 space. Control plus 2 will come double spacing. Right. You want to give the line between gap, it will come. Next, control plus break. Suppose your data is there. I want to data in that you have the data is there. This is my lines. I keep the cursor here. Control break. Automatically it transfer the break page is divided into two pages. Control Shift A. It comes in all capital letters. Text. Control Shift K. All small letters will convert. You have to select all data here and click on only Control Shift K. Small letters. Control Shift W. Underline a word. Control plus is equal to subscript. Suppose I want write this is subscript. This is superscript. I want to write this x power 5. Then you have to use Control Shift is equal to type it. Automatically, the cursor will come here. Then you have to type letter 5. What are the power is there? You are right. Next, Control Shift is equal to. I have type X letter here. And next I have to type down. What is the thing power you want? You can type. This is a subscript. This is superscript. Control down arrow key. It will move the down control. There is a control plus left arrow keys are available. I'll show you here. Control plus arrow keys. Up arrow keys. Next down. Next left. Next right. This is control plus Up arrow means the one page will move upside. Next, control down, one page downside. Control left, it will come left side. The cursor will come from left side. And control X, control plus right side. We can move the text. Next, I want to see print view. Shortcut command control plus F2. Print view option. I want to increase my font size. I want to increase this font size without using mouse. So shortcut key is control shift greater than. Control shift less than is to decrease. This is increase, this is decrease. Shift page up moves the page one forward upside. We can move the page upside. Shift page down. We can move the page down. Alt Shift Alt F7 is used to dictionary. You have to done any spelling wrong or may you have to do corrections anything. The whole document will be done with help of spelling and grammar. Computer will check all. Uh, Shift Alt F7 shortcut. Shift F7 reverse tooling. You can view the submenus of your document by using by Shift F1. F10 menu bar. Every menu. Suppose I have an home menu. I want to go insert menu. I want to go page menu. I want to go review. I want to go view. How can I go? With help of mouse. But without mouse, I want to go. I can press one time F10. Automatically the toolbar having menus will be there. Again, menus shortcut key will be displayed on this. Just press the letter. Again, we have to go to other menus. The shortcut key is also displayed. So using F10 first you have to press. Then after that, what are the key you want to go? With the help of you can go and other menus and other sub menus also you can go using. So for coming F10, you have to press F10. And you want to cancel, escape press it. Shift Control P, font size selection will come. Font size, style, underline. Also, one small toolbar is coming. Without that, also you can use on the front side of main menu. Home menu will showing you font size, color, and one more is size and style also available. You can use this toolbar also. You can use that also. You can use. Next, MS Excel shortcut keys. When you are in Excel, open the sheet will come this function. When you are in a Word, the function keys will be different. When you are in PowerPoint, the function key will be different. All are different from one software to other software. Only when you going in Excel, this will come. So F1, same. F1 will always gives help. I click on help in Excel. So what is Excel? You want to know the definition. You want to know how to insert a column, how to delete a column. Type some on the pressing F1 and type it and press enter key. Automatically the information will be displayed. So any information in Excel you want to know, any doubts or a step by step how to do, everything will be done with the help of Excel. F1 function key. F2 rename, edit, sorry. Edit. Suppose you have an Excel box is there. You want to change anything. You have to press the enter key once again, but not required. Only you have to type this and press F2. The edit is option is available. F5 go to option. F6 and F10 are active menu bar. Next, F7, spell checker. You have any spelling in wrong, you have to do correction. F8, extend option is available. F11, new chart. Suppose you have typed in anything data. I want to go chart. You have to go to insert menu and chart option that we have. Only shortcut key with the help of one shortcut key. F11 you press it, automatically the shortcut will come. F12, save as. You want to save the file, shortcut key. It will ask the file name. Immediately you have to give the file name and it will save it. Page down, one page down and one page up. Next, control. Here the control arrow keys are missing. I'll write under this arrow key. What is it can call? Last row down key. Next first row upside. Next left. Last column. First column. This is the option. Arrow keys are control plus down arrow key. We can see last row in Excel sheet also by using this key. Control plus down key. Control you have to use and press arrow key. Arrow keys we can see. And control plus up. we have to there in first row, and control plus right arrow, we can see the last column of the cell. Control plus left arrow, we can see the first column of the cell. Next, control plus F3 to define your names. You have want to create a table names of your created fields. You have to use control plus F3. Table define manager and table name shortcut key. You want to close a file, control F4. Control F5, you have to minimize your window. Your Excel sheet is you want to minimize or maximize screen by two options. Control F5 is to minimize, control F10 is to maximize. Control F11, insert a macro sheet. Control F12, open a file. I want to open a file. A shortcut key is we control F12, automatically the browser will open. And in the browser, you have to type one file, which file you want to open, select it and click on OK. Next, Control Shift F3, create names of your Excel sheet and column names. Control plus after that you have to use control, and you have to, once again you have to use the plus symbol option. Insert a row will come, and control minus delete a row. I want to insert a column, same control plus you have to use, it will give the option of a column or row also depend upon your requirement. Control plus 2, bold the text. Control plus 3, italic. Your font size will be italic. You have to select the data and press control plus 2, you have to press it. It come bold, it come italic. Next, control 4, underline. Control plus 9, hide a row. Control plus 0, you have to hide a column. Next, control home. If the cursor is there in fifth page or sixth page, you want to go on the first row of the first column, what you have to do, control plus home, you have to type it. It will go to beginning of your cell, A1 will be there. Next, control plus page up. You want to move first page, you want to go, or you want to go, we are in middle page, suppose you are in fifth page, I want to go fourth page, control plus up you have to play, and control plus down you have to go on sixth page, one page down. So control page up page down gives us to move the cursor sheet left and right, up and down. Control end, it moves the last of your data. Suppose I have the 10 pages of Excel sheet, I want to go last page of last line, I have to go control plus you have to use end, it goes. Next, control space bar, select entire column, I want to select this complete column, control plus space bar. Control semicolon, it displays the system present date and present time, so it displays the date. Control colon, it displays the time, current time, what is the present time. Control arrow keys to hold the shift for additional function keys. Suppose you want to select a block of data, with the help of control keys we can hold the data with the block of selecting your data. Control shift plus F2, commands. Shift plus F3, insert any functions. Shift plus F5, find and replace. Shift plus F11, insert new worksheet. Excel will, when you open it, automatically will get three default sheets. You want to increase more than 100 also, you can create. More than 100 we can create the worksheets. Next, shift plus spacebar, select entire row. This I want to select. I want to select a complete row. So what is the command? Shortcut command, shift plus spacebar. Next, shift control F, format the cell. Shortcut key is format the cell. Automatically it will format the cell, means size, and next color. Next it will ask the font alignment. It comes in font. Shift control P, font down list. It will come the same like a tool, small toolbar is open. We can open the font settings will available in this. Shift plus F10, shortcut keys to open the right menu. You want to move from right side and you want to open the mouse right side, shift plus F10. Next, shift plus F7, shortcut keys for right function, same function will come. Alt plus is equal to, it will do the total of all. Suppose I have typed the data, I want to use all, I want to add without using any, with help of shortcut keys, just to select the data up to last row and click on Alt plus is equal to, auto sum will come. Alt plus F1 to insert new chart. shortcut key for inserting chart. You had data is there. You press Alt and chart. Alt F1, Alt F2 to save the file, Alt F4 to exit. You know, Alt plus F, file menu will open. Alt Shift F1, new worksheet will create. Alt Shift F2 to save the file. Alt M, go to formula menu bar. Alt W, view to go to view menu bar. Next, how to create a folder in computer. Suppose you want to create a folder means you have to select the place where you want to create. It may be drives or it may be in desktop where you have to create. Like suppose first select the place where you want to create the file. Go to my computer and in my computer, open the my computer. Right click on with mouse. It will comes with new and it will ask you folder name. Then you type it. One folder is automatically created. Next, the folder, right click on open. The folder you are entering into the folder. And again, you want to create one file. Right click on new, and it will ask the file name. You can create one more file. So, you are creating folder. In the folder, you are creating one file also. Next, so select the place where you want to create a folder. Go to my computer, right click with the mouse, click on open, go to D drive, right click with the mouse, select new folder, click on it and give the folder name. This is it. Next, creating a file. Select the place where you want to create a file. Desktop, or you want to select the file in drive or folder where you want to create. Right click with new mouse and click on new and create a document file name you have to give. Next, how to search particular file in Windows. I have the file name I know, but where is the file is there? Just to click on search button. So in the taskbar will be open here. Taskbar. Just click on this search button. You have to give automatical file name. The file name will be shown in your desktop, where it is giving the location also. If you click on the double click, the file will be open. This is how to search particular file and folder. You can search file also. You can search folder also. Thank you.